points. Katie, you should wear the OJ gloves.
Huh?
You should wear those gloves.
No, forget those gloves.
Pull.
See, that's just making me look bad. I know, right? Like, I feel like such a loser.
It only holds two. Oh, and then lower this.
Alright, get it again.
Oh, see, that's the one I wanted to do.
Well,
What
it's...
is this?
Did you see that other one? See it right there? Came off the end of it.
Is that what it's doing?
Yeah.
For all of them?
Yeah.
Is it the gun or the handle?
See?
Oh, they lost it. It got up under the barrel.
Yeah. If you lose it, it's hard to find it again. You had the right idea, just set it on top of the barrel.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Uh-huh. Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it?
No, I don't want to right now.
Okay.
I'm hungover. I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty. Really thirsty.
I'm very thirsty too. I'm taking video.
Hey, see, once you find it, you gotta follow it.
I'm done with this. Stop.
It's a video. I'm putting it on YouTube.
No.
I put all my stuff on YouTube too.
See one of my butt jiggling when I pulled it?
Yeah, you're behind it. That's why
Tell?
you gotta
My butt was like,
leave.
every time.
Well, I am, but I think I do what you say.
I like taking videos when we're out here because I can watch more.
Yeah, you can't stop. And if it's,
I put that one of you on the beach on YouTube.
Straight on, then you just
And you're like,
set it
me!
on the top of that.
Remember that one?
Following it, and you just slightly under.
Remember that video I took when Mom was like, I'm in love with you? Made that
No,
stupid
I
thing in
never
the
saw
sand?
that.
You know,
Oh, yeah,
I put it on
it's still
YouTube.
going where you were before.
the beach one?
Yeah.
It's falling, so it'll fall.
I put it on YouTube.
Why don't you tag me in it? You put it on Facebook?
No, I just put it on YouTube. I don't
It's
tell
not,
them.
it ain't.
But I just got wireless on it. How fun. Sit down and hook up my internet like a douchebag.
Yeah, you gotta like you gotta hit a couple of them and go, oh, okay, I see where I need to be now.
It's exhausting. One day, me and Daddy and Uncle Scott and Brittany and Tim were out here and we did this for like 2 or 3 hours, just this. And it was so exhausting. We were so tired.
I'm about to get some water.
Alright, pull. Oh.
You want to try again?
Oh! Let me losers together. I want to at least get one.
What it's doing, it's firing, but what's happening is they're swelling right here. It's making it hang in there. See, the other one came out a minute ago, and I got the brass up, yeah, and then the communication was still in there. So that's what it's not doing it on all of them. And of course, I mean, that's Winchester ammo, and we were shooting it in the, the other crop that I had, and it never did that.
Let me see what I was doing.
Again. Oh.
On that? I told you.
The bottom of it.
Okay. why you weren't